Guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is Facebook instant article full guide 2022. Blogger made $1570 fast. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started now. Facebook Instant Article is one of the popular publishing platforms developed by Facebook for media publishers and creators. In this platform, content creators can edit, write, and share their content to their Facebook audience easily. Besides this, they can also monetize their content as well. Instant articles on Facebook have been a huge boost as it enables users to monetize their content through Facebook ads. If you are also willing to publish your articles and want to make a full-time income like me, you are in the right place. How to enable instant article on Facebook page? If you are a blogger and want to deliver your content to your user through Facebook, then there is no publishing platform better than Facebook's. Besides this, another tough competitor of Facebook is Google. You can also monetize your content on both platforms. Make a fan page. The first step you need to consider before starting your journey on Instant Article is making a page on Facebook. Number 2 is sign up for Instant Article. After you finishing creating your page Facebook, it's time to make your account on Instant Article. How to set up Facebook Instant Article for blogger? If you are a blogger, then you can make money from Facebook by setting up Instant Article for your blog. The process of setting up Instant Article for your blog is very simple, as you can show on the screen. Benefits of using Facebook Instant Article. Many bloggers are setting up their page for Facebook Instant Article. But what are the benefits of setting up Facebook Instant Article? Facebook Instant Article eligibility. As of now, there is no specific requirement for Facebook for writing a blog on Instant Article. Anyone having Facebook page is good to go with Instant Articles. However, there are some barriers while monetizing your articles, which we will discuss in another section of article. Customize your article style. This is an important part that you need to work on before starting up your journey on Instant Article. However, it is not just a requirement. The more beautiful blog you can, the more traffic and user can generate from your page. There are a lot of options to customize your size, including logo, color of text, typography, and so on. Make sure you have the clearest format possible, which is easy to read when a visitor comes to your site. The main thing which declined your website from getting approved by Facebook can be anything, including suspicious link, PDF, and forms. Write at least 10 articles. You need to write at least 10 articles to be eligible for the instant article with the proper readable format. If you don't know what kind of format and style you need to consider on your blog, then don't worry. Facebook. Connect your site to Facebook Instant Article. To connect your site with Instant Article is easy. You can easily connect your site with Instant Article within a couple of minutes. First, to go on Instant Article account, and there you will have an option to connect your site. Then go to the publishing tool button and scroll down and click on connect your site with some feature. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.